Today, we're diving into the versatile world of the IDL Packaging Large Brown Kraft Paper Roll, a 24-inch by 1,200-foot roll that offers a generous 2,400 square feet of premium, natural kraft paper. This 30-pound, non-coated, and unwaxed brown paper is made from 100% recycled materials, making it both eco-friendly and safe for kids' art projects. Perfect for gift wrapping, DIY decorations, and even as a protective layer against stains and dust, this pliable and breathable paper is a must-have for anyone who values sustainability and creativity. Whether you're packing delicate items or filling voids in shipping boxes, this lightweight craft paper provides a budget-friendly solution without compromising quality. Schools and art studios will find it particularly useful for endless crafting possibilities, from drawing and painting to origami and murals. Plus, its natural, non-toxic composition makes it an excellent choice for composting weed barriers, protecting your plants without harming the environment. For those who need more options, IDL Packaging also offers a range of paper products, including butcher, freezer, and wax paper, all designed to meet your specific needs. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.